Hello guys, my name is Luciano and today I'm here with LaVivid to share with you guys this system, the Nicolas system from LaVivid. But before, I want to explain you guys why I think this system is perfect for everybody, let's say like that. Because I have a lot of people that comment in my videos. Some of them say I prefer the PU, like the plastic base. Some people say I prefer the mono lace base that is breathable. But at the same time, some people say like, oh, I prefer the lace, but the lace has this, and this problems for me. Or some say I prefer the PU, but the PU has this, and this problem for you. Basically, some people don't like the PU, the silicone, the silicone base, because the head doesn't breathe. So that means like after some days, you start itching, you start like feeling uncomfortable. And some people complain about that. Most of the people complain about that. And the other side, you have the people that wears the lace, but they complain about like the glue, when I'm gonna clean, takes out all the hair and damage the system. Or the tape, it's not gluing as good as the glue supposed to. And so I don't feel comfortable, I don't feel secure about the tape. So this system here, the Nicolas one, came to try to convince about what you can do to have the opportunity to breathe and the opportunity to glue well. So this system here, I ordered this time darker than my natural hair. I'm a flight attendant, so I have to wash my hair every day. I have to brush my hair every day. I have to take care of my hair every day. Of course, the color of the system starts fading faster, so much faster. That's why I asked this time to a darker color, just one point darker than my natural, because I'm expecting that the color fade after like 2-3 months, so at least I can keep the system for a long time without having to do any maintenance or something about the color. So this is the information from the system. You see, this color is the 1B and my side is the 8x10. I'm gonna let in the description here all the information about this system in case you guys want to order the same, and why I told you guys this system might be perfect for everybody. You see here, this is the structure of the system. So now let's talk about why I think it's perfect. First of all, you have this is made by mono. So mono, it's a kind of a lace, let's say like in a weird way. It's a kind of lace that makes your head breathe. So definitely at this area, you can, like, your head's gonna breathe, at this area is gonna breathe, and this area is gonna breathe. Here is lace, here is mono, and this all around here is PU, and here as well is PU. So with this system, you mix both of the situations. You can breathe, what a lot of people want. Every time you wash your hair, the water comes inside, and at least, even if you're not really cleaning, at least the water is going, making a little cleaning, and technically you can leave the system in their head for a better period of time before taking out to do the maintenance. And plus, you have all this around here that you can glue your system. Then you can definitely put the tape or put the glue, and then it's gonna make the system like really stay firm in your head and make you feel more like secure when you're wearing a system. And then you have here in the front the lace. You see this area here? You have the lace. The lace, it's to make more natural. So let me try to show you guys. I just placed the system in the front of my head in a gross mold. Of course, it's not glued, it's not cutted. So just to let you guys understand what I'm talking about the lace. Okay, so here is, this area here has to be cut. I have this system here, you see? I cut in here, I cut in here. So you see here, you have to cut on the top. Of course, when you have like a mirror or something better, you're gonna cut correctly. You're gonna cut like closer to the system. But just to have an idea, you see here, oops, look, you already can see. Let me just grab here and try to show you guys. Here's with the border, and then here it's when you attach to your head. Just perfect. So that's why I say the PU around is the best one to glue. The mono in the middle is the best one to breathe. And the lace in the front, let me just show you guys. It's gonna be the best one to look really, really natural. You see here, you can see the lace, but when it's on top of my finger, the lace kind of disappears and looks so much more natural. And you don't have like much density in the front, so it looks like baby hairs are coming from the system. I had a question days ago, someone asked me, oh, okay, but like my system, you see my system here? I wear the system from here to this area. You see here? And the person said, oh, but if I buy this system and I have to cut to fit in my head, I'm gonna lose this area. But this, for example, it's 8 by 10. You can buy a smaller one. So you measure your head, and if your head say like, let's say 6 by 8, instead of buying 8 by 10, you buy 6 by 8. And then instead of start like here, he's gonna start like, let's say here, you know? It's because the system is gonna be smaller, okay? The sides are gonna be closer. So if you cut, it's not gonna cut this area. So that's why you have to measure your system and make sure when you order this, you order the perfect side for your head, okay? So that's basically everything I want to show you guys about this system. I always tell you guys how good is the quality of LaVivid hair. I consider this has a really nice density of hair. For my case, I like to make this less density. So I'm gonna go for a haircut, and I want to show you guys how the system is going to be after a haircut. As I always said, what is important is the matching sides, the matching here. So if you have a low density of hair here, try to make the system a low density as well. If you have a low density of hair here, you can keep the amount of density. So try to make as well, find someone that blend both hairs nicely. And always take care of your system, because these systems might take like 4 or 5 months. Even this that has a well done structure, that may last you like so much more. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any question about this system or about LaVivid information, I have all information in the description as well. You guys can always send me questions on Instagram, on Facebook, or on YouTube, and I'm always gonna answer you guys. But definitely this is for sure the best option for who wants glue and breathe, PU and mono, and the lace, because the lace is what gonna looks more natural in the front. Okay guys, I hope you guys had enjoyed this video. Thank you so much LaVivid for all the support. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.